So we were studying about the conics, right? Let's see the next point. So page number 168, NCERT. Point 1. So axis of parabola is defined as the line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. According to the parabola, equation is y square equal to 4ax. Right? X is the axis of the parabola. So here x is axis of parabola. Right. Next point is point of intersection of the parabola with the axis is called vertex of the parabola. Right. So when it is intersecting, that is called point of intersections. So y square equal to 4ax. Here point of intersection is origin. Origin is the vertex. Origin is vertex. Next point. If the axis of parabola is chosen as y-axis and vertex at the origin, then the equation of the parabola will be right. If axis of parabola is chosen as y-axis and vertex at origin, then equation of parabola will be x square equal to 4ay, right? In this case, focus will be what? Focus will be 0 comma b, and next focus will be 0 comma of minus b, right? So we can draw the diagram for parabola. This is equation of parabola y square equal to 4ax passing through the origin, right? This is OA, that is 0 comma 0 passing through origin, and here focus is whose coordinates are 0 comma a comma 0. This is focus, and this is z, that is of minus of a comma 0, right? This line is called directrix, that is x is equal to minus of a. This is called directrix, right? Here a is greater than 0. Next is, this is equation of parabola also again, when y square equal to 4x, here a will be less than 0 because it is in second quadrant, right? It is also passing through origin 0 comma 0, having focus here, focus a. This is of minus of a comma 0. This is s now, so s will be positive here, and here z is on the other side, so it will be minus of a comma 0. So this is your directrix line. So x is minus of a. This is directrix, right? Right up to this point, then I will share the next figure. See the next topic. So when diagram is like this, So that time parabola equation will be x square equal to 4ay. This is x axis parallel to the this line, which is directrix y is equal to of minus b. This is origin a 0 comma 0, and this is the z line, that is 0 comma of minus b. So this vertical distance is given, right, of minus b. So here focus of this equation will be, if focus, this is s 0 comma of b, right. In the similar case, if parabola will be vertically downward, then equation of this will be what? This is x square equal to 4b, right? We are not using a here, na? So it will be b. So equation of this will be x square equal to 4b y. So here b less than 0. This is b greater than 0. This is a 0 comma 0. This is z 0 comma 0. This is y equal to of minus b, right. This is the z, so it will be 0 comma of minus b coordinate. So this line will be what? Y equal to of minus b directrix. This is called directrix, right. Here focus s is there, whose coordinate is 0 comma of b, right. So you can observe the changes, right. This is another case, this is another, this is greater than 0, here less than 0, right. This is on y axis, it is also on y axis. So write this case also. Then we will do the next topic, lactus rectum of parabola. Next topic is lactus rectum. Lactus rectum of parabola. Right. So to draw the parabola. This is lactus rectum A passing through the point A. This is directrix x is equal to of minus a. This is s a comma 0. That is L. This is L dash. Right. This is the line L. So let the end of the latest rectum of parabola will be L and L dash. So this is the point which is L and L dash. So L dash is vertical line since it passes through the focus a comma 0. Right. You can observe it. It is passing through the, this is called focus. Right. Whose coordinates are a comma 0. Equation is x is equal to a. Now at the point L and L dash on the parabola using the equation of the parabola. So equation of parabola will be y square equal to 4ax, right. So instead of x you can write here a. So it will be y square equal to 4a into a. So y is equal to plus minus of 2a, right. So y coordinate we have got. Thus the coordinate of end of the latest rectum are. So coordinate of the latest rectum you have got is a comma 2a, and this will be a comma minus 2a, right. So length of rectum will be ll dash. So you have to find the latest rectum length, that is ll dash, right. So By using distance formula, you can also find the length of that by using distance formula. Lactus rectum will be under root of, so we will use this formula. This will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. So distance formula is what? It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 at whole square. So x2 is a and x1 is also a. So it is a minus a square plus y2 is minus of 2a, that is minus of 2a whole square. So this will be get cancelled. So under root of minus 2a. So it will be minus 4a whole square. So under root of 16a square. So outside will be plus minus of 4a. So length is 4a of Lactus rectum. So right up to this point, then we will study parametric equation of parabola. Next topic is parametric equation of parabola. Right. So see, if we are taking the parameter x is equal to at square and y square equal to 2at, this should satisfy the equation, right? So we have taken these 2 points. So our equation is y square equal to 4x. So put here y square is, it is 280 whole square equal to 4a. X is nothing but it is at square. So it is 4a square t square equal to 4a square t square. So you can observe both sides are equal, right? So it means this equation satisfies the our equation of parabola, right? Suppose a point x1 y1 lie on the next. This is the first case to check out the parametric form. Second case is suppose a point x1 y1 are lying on the parabola, right? Parabola is y square equal to 4x, right? So here t will be y1 upon 2a. From here we have concluded, right? T equal to y1 upon 2a and x1 is equal to at square. We have taken these 2 points. In other words, corresponding to any points on the parabola y square equal to 4x, there exists a real number t such that x is equal to at square and y equal to 2at, right? So the point at square and 2at is a point on the parabola. This is the point on parabola, that is y square equal to 4x, right? Of the form, so point will be this point which lie on the parabola, right? So conclusion is to remember this point, 2 points. So this is the parametric form. Write this form, then solve the example 17. Next topic is properties of parabola. So let's see the first property. Let point P, that is of T1 and Q at T2, be 2 points on parabola. be 2 points on parabola. Y square equal to 4ax. Right. If PQ bar is a focal chord, then T1 into T2 is equal to -1. Equal to -1. So let's prove it. If PQ bar is Lactus rectum, then PA comma 2A is. So this is the point on it. So it is A T1 square equal to A, and 2A T1 is equal to 2A. Right. So cancel this one. So we'll get T1 as 1. Similarly, for Q points. So Q is minus of A comma minus of 2A. Then T2 will be what? T2 will be -1. Right. So multiplying these two equation, T1 is 1 and T2 is -1. So multiplication of T1 and T2 is equal to minus of 1. Right. Suppose PQ is not the Lactus rectum. Right. Suppose PQ is not the Lactus rectum. A T1 square is equal to not equal to A, and A T2 square not equal to A. So the slope of these two lines SP and SQ. So what will be that? So see on the next page. So slope of SP is equal to slope of SQ. So it is 2AT1 divided by AT1 square minus of A is equal to 2AT2 divided by AT2 square minus of A. So here 2A and 2A will get cancel, and A1 and A1 also get cancel. So it is T1 upon T1 square of -1. So A and A will also get cancel after taking the common. So it is equal to T2 divided by T2 square of -A. Understood up to this point? Then cross multiply and solve it. Then you will get the product value. So after multiplying, T1 into T2 whole square minus 1 is equal to T2 into T1 whole square minus of 1. Right. So it is T1 into T2 square minus T1 is equal to T2 into T1 square minus of T2. Right. So take this on the left hand side and this on right. So it will be T1 into T2 square minus of T2 into T1 square is equal to T1 minus of T2. So common is T1 here and T2. Remaining is T2 minus of T1. Here common is take minus common, so it will be T2 minus of T1, so that we can get cancel. So this part is cancelled. So remaining is T1 into T2 is equal to of -1. So right up to this point, first property of parabola. Let's see the property 2. So let S be the focus of the parabola. So S is focus. Let S be focus of parabola. y square equal to 4ax, right? Here a is greater than 0. PQ is focal code. PQ is focal code. Then 1 upon SP plus 1 upon SQ is equal to 1 upon A. Let's see. So, let the point P and PQ be the end of the focal chord. Then the coordinates of the focus are A, comma 0. Right. So coordinates of P and Q will be P is the point that is T1 and Q is the point that is T2. Right. So P coordinates are given, that is A T1 square minus comma 2A T1, and Q points, that is A T2 square comma 2A T2. Right. So what will be the SP? So SP square will be A T1 square minus